In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use restrict access in your course to control when and who sees content. We'll start right on your course page. First, turn editing on by enabling edit mode. This is essential because it unlocks the controls you need to change settings for both individual activities and entire sections. With editing enabled, you'll be able to tailor access so learners only see what's relevant when it's relevant. Next, decide where you want the restriction to apply. If you're targeting a specific activity or resource, open its three dots menu and choose Edit Settings. If you're managing a whole section or topic, open the Sections menu, select Edit Topic or Edit Section, then scroll until you find the area labeled Restrict Access. That's the control center for everything we're about to set. Inside Restrict Access, click Add Restriction. You'll see a set of condition types you can mix and match. Date lets you open or close access before or after a specific date and time, which is great for pacing modules or timing a quiz window. Activity completion allows you to require that learners complete another activity before this one becomes available. This is ideal for creating learning pathways, like watching a lecture before attempting a quiz. Grade is useful when you want access to depend on how a learner performed on a prior activity, for example, requiring a minimum score to unlock an advanced assignment. Group or grouping restricts visibility to particular cohorts, making it easy to differentiate content for different lab sections or project teams. User profile taps into fields like department or city, so you can tailor access based on predefined profile data without managing separate copies of materials. If your scenario calls for more nuanced logic, such as this condition or that condition, or both this and that, use a restriction set. A set groups conditions together so you can define whether all conditions must be met or just one. This is powerful for cases like offering an alternative prerequisite, complete either of two activities to move forward, or requiring multiple criteria to be satisfied at once. As you configure these rules, think about the learner experience. Clear availability messaging helps students understand why something is hidden and what they need to do next. And remember, you can always return to the restrict access area to revise conditions as your course evolves. That's it. With edit mode on, the restrict access panel open, and the right conditions selected, you're in full control of who sees what and when, keeping your course organized, intentional, and learner-friendly.